Hello everyone, this is Sarabjit Sidhu. In today's video, we are going to discuss that how you can start your career in clinical research. This is the number one feedback or a comment I receive most of the time, that I'm a fresher, I do not have experience, but how to get a start in a clinical research. So in today's video, I'm sharing 4 actionable points so that you can make your own strategy. So let's start. If you are feeling stuck with your life science degree or pharma degree, then you are trying to make in a clinical research, but you do not have experience, then you feel like it is impossible to break in a clinical research. And here is the truth. You need not to have years of experience just to get start in a clinical research. Rather, you need your own strategy so that you can get your first break. So let's start how you can do it. So number one step is, the first what you can do. Now just look at your all the credentials. What is your strongest point? It is your degree, because you have invested 13-14 years in this. So leverage your degree. So what I am saying is that you already have a background of a science pharma, which means you have a strong foundation to be in a clinical researcher. The only thing is you need to add on the value. What value is that? Either a learning about a clinical research as well as a ICH GCP. Now for this, again, most of the students, they think that we need to have a course, or we need to enroll in a course or need to do a fancy degree once again. No, you can start with a self-learning. There are a number of courses available totally free. Like there is one is by NIDA, there is a video on my YouTube channel. Second is by NIH. I can leave a description link in the description, or you can read my books either on a clinical research or a medical writing. There is a link in the video. So you can start with these free resources so that it will give you a boost of confidence, that and as well as testing of idea that is this career for you or not. So you can get the certification, you can get the knowledge, then it's a good start. Now here action for you is that you should start applying for a entry level roles, where you need either a minimum experience or experience of 1-2 years, like a clinical research coordinator, data entry coordinator, ethics committee coordinator, site coordinator, or enrollment associate, enrollment specialist, trial master file specialist. These are all entry level job roles. Even medical writer, trainee, internship, there are these days many opportunities. So you can start applying just to know that where you stand. Now there step 2 comes in, where you have an opportunity to create your own experience. You do not have experience, and most of the recruiters, they ask for experience, and then here is an opportunity that you can create your own experience by applying for an internship, by voluntarily as well. Now easiest for you is, I know for pharma, it's not easy in pharma or big companies to get first internship, but you can do a very simple exercise, and which is very effective. Go to CTRI if you are in India, or clinicaltrial.gov globally. Try not, just figure it out which are the clinical trial hospitals. Those are there in your city, near your home. Go there in person. Offer your services there. Just offer your voluntary service, like I will help you to recruit a patient, maybe help you to do the survey. Go there in person. There are a lot of opportunities, and these are never ever posted on Naukri portals as well, or you can say job portals. So this is your golden opportunity. Go with your CV and also tell them, I have already learned about ICH, I know the clinical research, so that they are intrigued in you. And once the kind of experience you will get on these hospital research sites is that it is going to give you incredible experience, definitely. And second, the amount of confidence it is going to infuse you is amazing. So this way you can build your experience. And now third step is, I will say that network, and not harder. You need not to keep on sending people a connection request. Rather be smart. Follow pharma companies, follow clinical research organization, follow DCGI, follow FDA updates, because this will give you the opportunity of learning each and every day. And addition to this, you can follow the leading clinical research institute or the networks, I will say, not institute or rather networks, because they keep on doing free workshops. And you can be, once you are active over LinkedIn, you will come to know about these free workshops. And the only thing you have to go there and learn by, by investing some time. So during these workshops you will have a great opportunity to learn. And over a LinkedIn you can also see, feel kind of inspiration, like what kind of profile you want to go. Like I started with as in operation, then later I got quite interested in a medical writing field. Later I discovered that no, clinical trial transparency is also upcoming field. So how I came to know about these is via LinkedIn, by newsletters, by updates. So stay very, very active on LinkedIn and go to job portals. And read the job description, underline the words, what they are demanding, and accordingly prepare your answers. Now, fourth tip I would like to give you is that work on your transferable skills. What are the transferable skills? Like project management, time management, communication, team management. All these are very good transferable skills which each job need, right? And when you're preparing a CV, highlight these skills. For these you may do some activity in your college, you can take up the project. You can, even if you are, suppose example, you are interested in a medical writing, you can write your blog post and showcase as your writing experience, and that will give an interviewer quite a confidence that this person is really interested in writing. They are making an active effort. And additionally, prepare your CV, a good CV. One page CV is sufficient. Do not talk about your date of birth, personal information. Give it a professional, looking feel to hold the document, so that when you're going for an interview, you should sound or position yourself a very intelligent and a serious candidate. Now, my final thought is that future need you. The clinical research, if we see that it need lot of freshers, and the kind of talent needed in this is in a demand, right? The field need lot of talent. So you guys, all the freshers, you have a good opportunity in a clinical research. The only thing is you have to little work on yourself so that you can get your first opportunity. Later, it will not that difficult. So only first step is difficult. In case you wanted to refer my resources like my books, a link is in the description. Thank you so much. Please share, subscribe and comment.